Everyone, distinguished guests, community leaders, friends, and members of the APPAC family, Assalamu alaikum and welcome. It is my great privilege to welcome all of you tonight as we celebrate 79 years of Pakistan's independence. August is a special month for every Pakistani. It reminds us not only of the sacrifices made for our independence, but also of our responsibility to carry forward the values of freedom, opportunity, democracy, and service to future generations. For those of us who are Pakistani Americans, tonight has an additional meaning. Pakistan is the country of our heritage, and the United States is the country we proudly call home. We want to continue building bridges between these two great nations and strengthening the relationship between the people of Pakistan and the United States. That mission has been at the heart of APPAC since its inception. We wanted Pakistani Americans to have a stronger voice in American civic life, not as spectators, but as active participants. We wanted our community to build relationships, support public servants who share our values, and help open doors for the next generation. One of the great friendships that has grown alongside APPAC has been our friendship with Senator Cory Booker. Senator Booker has been with us from the early days of our organization. Over the years, we have seen that his friendship with our community is not something that appears only in election time. He has consistently stood with Muslims, minorities, immigrants, and communities that often feel that their voices are not being heard. One of the moments of which our community is particularly proud was our advocacy for Zahid Qureshi. Zahid Qureshi to become the first Muslim American federal judge confirmed under Article 3 of the United States Constitution. APPAC strongly advocated for his nomination, and Senator Booker played an important role in supporting and advancing that historic moment. That moment was bigger than one individual or one organization. It sent a message to millions of young Americans, Muslim Americans. There is a place for you at every level of American society. You can serve this country, you can lead this country, and no door should be closed to you because of your name, your faith, or where your family came from. That is why Senator Booker's friendship means so much to us. He has spent his career speaking about dignity, justice, opportunity, and bringing people together. He fights for communities that need a voice, Muslims and other religious minorities, racial and ethnic minorities, immigrants, and Americans from every background. Senator Booker, thank you for being our friend. Thank you for standing with our community. And thank you for joining us tonight to celebrate Pakistan's Independence Day. And I will say something else tonight. Many of us believe that America needs leaders who can bring people together rather than divide them. We should be proud to see our friend Cory Booker run for the President of the United States. Tonight, however, is the first and foremost a celebration of Pakistan, America of our heritage, our community, and the relationship between the two nations. May Pakistan continue to prosper. May the United States continue to be a land of opportunity for people from every background. And may the friendship between Pakistan and the United States continue to grow stronger for generations to come. Thank you all for our distinguished guests and everyone who helped make tonight possible. Pakistan Zindabad. God bless the United States of America, and God bless the friendship between two of our nations. Thank you and welcome everyone.